Well, few things in our community stir up more debate than the issue of vaccinations. And now we ask, should unvaccinated children be allowed to stay in school during an outbreak of an infectious disease? Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. We saw it firsthand during a mumps outbreak in Spokane last year. Hundreds of kids who weren't immunized had to stay home from school. And now at least 3 Spokane Valley City Council members say that's not fair. KXLY4's Kyle Simchuk spent the day talking to both sides of this debate. He joins us now live from Spokane Valley City Hall. Kyle?
Well, Nadine, it's important to point out that this issue isn't about whether vaccines are safe. It's more about whether a city ordinance could trump state law. Now, right now in Washington, parents have to fill out a form saying that if their child is unvaccinated, they cannot come to class if there's an outbreak. However, some parents who experienced this last year say it's simply unfair.
I think our children are being punished for the parents' choice.
During last year's mumps outbreak, Jacqueline Gallian's son was ordered to stay home for 19 school days. He wasn't sick. He was unvaccinated.
He was an honor roll student, but it impacted his grades enough where he could not maintain that status.
Parents are responsible to protect their children, not the government.
Spokane Valley City Councilman Ed Pace is joining several parents and council members in challenging state law. They say excluding unvaccinated students during an outbreak threatens a parent's right to choose what's best for their child.
Common sense tells you and nature tells you that mama knows best, period.
A parent has the right and the responsibility not only to his or her family, but also to the community at large.
Dr. Bob Lutz with Spokane Regional Health says exclusions are designed to boost community immunity, protecting both vaccinated and unvaccinated students.
That I'm not punishing students, I'm not punishing kids. I mean, I'm really trying to protect them.
Dr. Lutz says not all vaccines are 100% effective.
And certainly those who are susceptible, i.e. they have not been vaccinated, are more at risk and therefore more at risk for transmitting if they contract the virus.
For now, the debate is long from over, and some parents aren't giving up.
Just because you're a doctor or a professional doesn't mean you know what's best for a child.
And Spokane Valley City Council is nowhere near passing this ordinance, but if they did, it would violate state law. Now, on the other hand, Councilman Pace told me he's simply doing what's written in the Washington State Constitution, and that is protecting individual rights. Reporting live outside Spokane Valley City Hall, I'm Kyle Simchuk, KXLY4 News.
Thanks, Kyle. We went from